Hello guys, and welcome back to a new video. So today I announced a new update for AIMOGEN'S. So it is based on your suggestions. You can leave new suggestions on Trello board here. So it is linked in this video description. It is today I present the creator shortcode for the single AI post creator, which displays the post creator interface on the front end with predefined templates. So this is the update which comes today, and it allows this express mode single AI post creator to be also included to your site's front end and allow your users to create posts using AI exactly using this interface. So you will see a hint here that you can use the AIMOGEN post creator shortcode to display the express mode form. So let's create a new page to show you guys how this will work. And let's add a page. Okay, and also add the shortcode that we copied and simply publish it. Okay, so this will show users this form, and it will allow them to use it like you were already used to in the admin backend of AIMOGEN. So you will be able to allow your users to create posts based on topics. So let's say that I want to create a post on the topic WordPress plugins in 2026, and we can generate title or generate all. So let's start with generating the title, and we will see the title appearing here. How many sections should we generate based on this title? Let's say 3 sections, and the sections are created by the AI, and the number of paragraph per section. And let's generate, the AI will work and will generate the post content also. So the users will be able to set the post type, the status. I will be adding more options to the shortcode to customize what users are allowed and are not allowed to do in these options. So if you have suggestions, let me know in the comments of this video, because I am guided by you guys. So they can also set a featured image, generate an excerpt based on what was generated so far, and also some advanced parameters. They even can create custom fields with AI if they use this feature. So these are the advanced model settings, like which model to be used and so on, and the prompts which will be used to generate the parts of the post. So after everything is done, they can create the post, and post created successfully, and you will be able to go into posts and see it also in your backend. And here it is, this post was generated by AIMOGEN, and your users will be able to do this automatically without the need to log into your admin backend. So keep in mind, the shortcode will be this AIMOGEN post creator with underlines. So let me know any suggestion. Once again, let me know any suggestion that you might have for this new shortcode, as currently does not have any parameters. And yeah, if you have ideas, let me know. If you have other ideas, you can comment on Trello and I will note, and people will be able to vote on your ideas here. So AIMOGEN also is linked in this video's description. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.